Hi there. My name's Dick Ermintide, and over the next 3 hours or so I'm going to be asking some questions. Not just regular questions, serious questions that need answering. A few months ago I received a phone call from an old associate, Ted Turner. Ted briefed me on a string of strange occurrences occurring in these appropriately spooky woods. What Ted insinuated to me, I read between the lines, was what seemed like a textbook example of farcical extraterrestrial sightings. However, I looked deeper, much deeper. I did some research. When I found out that there had been a spate of sightings all over the sleepy village of Great Missenden, I was shocked. I literally spat out the cereal in my mouth all over my family and friends. What I've just alluded to is by no means an uncouth analogy. I'm just concerned that this spate of atrocities has been happening all over this small Buckinghamshire village. Missenden is in many ways the ideal location in which a young child can be sculpted and browbeaten into becoming a ruthless business tycoon. Like a child's dashed dreams of being a conservationist, in Missenden the streams meander alongside the thatched houses, beautifully crafted by hordes of hugely naive working class. The reaction to the strange events in the village was as equally strange as the strange occurrence which caused the majority of strangeness in the first place. Earlier on I asked a tall fellow for directions. When I asked him much about the sightings, he put on an animalistic display I could only really describe as ape-shit bonkers. A little strange. Fortunately the camera was already rolling. Please watch this footage carefully. I'm now going to drive into Great Missenden and hopefully talk to people about their experiences. I've come down to the local tavern in Great Missenden to meet a quite shocking man. Cheers.
Right. And it was an old one, and it was doing sat there in the back of the van.
Where they sit, you know, in the entrance.
To sneak off to the toilet, the conversation with Charles is going very well. It appears that Charles has some photographs of the sightings. I'm going to try and pursue it a little bit further. Charles, how long have you been aware of the occurrences?
Oh, well, let me see. Well, yes. I remember seeing something in the sky when I was very young. I mentioned it to my parents, but they just told me to leave. I admit I took it for granted. One man told me it was just the moon's tears provoked by the devastation in Hiroshima. Though this just confused me as an infant.
Charles, did you record these sightings, perhaps a sketch or a photograph?
A what?
Photograph.
A photogram?
Yes.
Behold, the largest phenomenon to be ever captured.
I'll now post the letters off to NASA.
Space Beast, come to me.